All right! Now you have to find something to shoot.
Okay.
And that's why I decided to take the Beretta 92 instead of the AK-47.
Wow. You're a grandfather now, Kinger. Pomni is pregnant.
What the deuce? Whoa! I love the new lipstick, Queenie.
Kinger? I'm not wearing any lipstick.
Gosh. Oh my god. It's a little creature.
Oops, sorry, Pawn. Didn't see you there. Hope I'm not bugging you.
Hey, Gangle! I got a gift for you!
Thank you, Kinger, but could you open it for me? You kinda use my arms as decorations.